Okay, thank you, Gandhi. Thank you so much. Thank you all, and welcome to this webinar. So this webinar is about the new release of v1.2.3. Okay, so what are the updates, and the simple breakdown about this new version is actually has a fresh and cleaner look. We have fixed multiple issues and like glitches or small bugs we got from the users all over, like on community, on emails and everywhere. So we consolidated them and we fixed them. Okay. We have the new token system. It is going to be like it is very robust, and you can see everything clearly. It is more transparent, and we have option to connect your own API of AIs, different models like OpenAI, Gemini, and Anthropic. So you can connect your own models. You can use them, and the new token system is not going to calculate those tokens. I will show you how it works. Okay. We have new apps are live. Milan is making the marketing website live. Maybe by tomorrow, you will have the access of all those apps to download. To all of you, okay, the apps are available for all the platforms, for the Linux, for the Windows 10, Windows 11, for the Mac, Intel version, and the M series also. So you will be able to download the apps in your computers, in all computers. Okay. We have the smarter error detection. Now we have integrated the new debug console in the system. So you will be able to see your errors in the apps. Sometimes it was difficult for you to, in the earlier version, it was difficult for you to manage. Now it is going to be easier for you to manage and to fix the errors. I will show you how it is going to help you. Okay. Um, you are going to have the real-time project insight. I will show you how it is going to work, how it is going to help you. Okay. Visual error console, which is actually going to be inside your preview now. Okay, and designed to feel effortless. So all the previews, terminals, and everything is going to be yes, it's going to be it's a one-click fix-all support also. Bonuses for the creator users. So we will talk about that. Okay, and all the bug fixes and everything, just like mentioned on this page, you can just check this page. You will understand what we have actually introduced. All right. So first of all, for the new users, all the free users, we are actually going to open the xBesh for the users also, which is going to be like a freemium model. All the free users are going to get 200,000 tokens, like in a free plan. Your plan is actually going to be mentioned here. Okay, so let's say this is the free plan right now. It is going to have 200,000 tokens, which you can actually use to test the project, and then anybody can just upgrade also. I will show you how it is going to work. Right now we have 116,000 token consumed already. 200,000 tokens are like total limit. Let's start a project. Okay, let's go inside. So I'm going to just build a. Okay, before starting a project, let me show you how this is going to work. So we have added one option, xBesh LLM here. If you click on this, you have this window in the side, like right hand side. So if by default it is going to be xBesh LLM v1.2, okay. So no API key required. Click to select. Right, simple. There's no problem in that. But if you want to use as Anthropic, Google, or OpenAI, like I have already, let me just remove this Google from here. Now, if I just click on this, you will get this screen to just connect your API key. So let's say you go to the AI studio of google.com, like this link, aistudio.google.com/API key to get your Gemini API. I tested with the Gemini and Anthropic. It works pretty good. Okay, so you can just get the API key from here from your Google account, and you can just create a new key, or you can just get a key from here. Let's say I'm just going to use this key. This is just test key. So I'm going to use this, going to paste it here. And once your key is pasted, you can click on test key. If it is working fine, it will give you the message API key is valid. Okay. Now, then you can click on save and continue. Tony is asking which AI you consider the best to use. So honestly speaking, if you use the xBesh LLM, it is going to give you the better like look and feel. But if you just compare this with the Anthropic and Gemini, they are also good. I just tested with the Gemini 2.5. So in the models, if you just click on the like enter the key, just you need to re-click on this to choose the model. So they are the list of models. Okay. Gemini 1.5 Flash is fast. Gemini 1.5 Pro is stable. I have just mentioned them clearly. Okay. So you can have Gemini 2.5 Pro is best for coding. Okay. So you can have your okay. So you can just click on this Gemini 2.5 best for coding from here. Now your model is selected. Okay. From here you can use to build anything. Let's say I'm going to use Gemini 2.5 Pro and Gemini 2.5 Pro to have a, let's say, social dashboard app. Okay, let's say I'm going to click on build it now. So we come on this screen. Now the UI has been changed. We have changed the location of the project name. As you can see here, we have one more token usage option. This token system is just for the project which we are building right now. Okay, let's say I'm just building a project for social media dashboard setup, and I'm using Gemini 2.5 for this project. This token is not going to be increased because you are using your own custom LLM. This token is not going to be like updated or enhanced or anything, but you will see the token, how many tokens are used. So 8.7 thousand, like 8.7K tokens are used. You can see the number of input tokens used and number of output token got generated. Okay. So as you can see in the right hand side, it's just 116,000 token, which is not updated. These number of tokens will be updated only when you are using xBesh LLM. This number of tokens are not going to be updated when you are using just a any other project. Now, as you can see, the project has been generated using the Gemini 2.5. Okay, the same project during it is not recommended, Tony, to switch during the uh, this, but it is fine. I mean, you can do that. Okay, I mean, it will work, but it is not recommended to switch project, I mean, your model during the process, right? Okay, so now this is the dashboard for your social media like project. We have created from scratch. Now the same project, if we are going to create using the different model, let's go with the xBash LLM. Okay, I'm going to build the project using xBash LLM like social media dashboard, and here we are going to use the our own model, and you will see how we get the output. Let's test. This section has been updated. So now, as you can see here in the left hand side, your picture will be updated here. You can see your own avatar here now. You have the more detailed and more like robust and more beautiful section to manage your files and the status for your newly generated files. You have the status, means green means it's done, red means it failed, and if it is not there, it means it's being done right now. Okay, so this is the project is we are generating using the xBash LLM, and the same project we are going to generate using the other models to test what is the outcome. But it is working perfectly fine with all the existing models. You can actually use any model for your project. Just wait for a few minutes. I hope we will get some errors so I can show you the console also, or we will generate the error by ourselves. The project is being generated right now. You see, using our model, we get the better project like files, the structure. It creates the better project overall. Like we used Gemini, the model. It created a very basic version of the project. But right now we are using our own model, which is going to generate the better and more structured way of our project. So this green part is going to be increased once we have the complete this file system. And as we're using the xBesh LLM, this part is also going to be updated. Okay, this part. Let's just wait for a few more seconds. Maybe it's going to be updated here. When I'm saying better, it means you can see last time when we generated the project using Gemini, we had kind of very limited files. See, we got the error here. The project console is capturing right now. So sometimes we have the error here. It will capture. Sometimes it won't. Maybe we will move, check it, like test it more. But most of the time it captures the error, and it will start fixing the error automatically. I will show you. While working, you will understand what I'm talking about. Is been updating the file. Okay, now we have the preview here. See, we got the better UI in the xBesh LLM, and we got the better design also with the all functionality of pages and everything. This was not actually available in the Gemini. Okay, so yes, it works perfectly, amazingly, with the uh, our own model. But you can see the token has been increased here, and the kind of it will be updated in some time. But you can see number of tokens used for the same project. When we used Gemini, it was less. When we used our own, because of the output. Okay, as you can see, output tokens are almost 18,000 and input tokens are almost 27,000. So this is going to definitely use more tokens, but we use two prompt in this. We use just one prompt in that, the last one. Okay, this is it means the input tokens used, it means the output token used, and this is the total number of tokens used for each prompt. Okay, and this is the full like for whole project. So when you are just getting at the output, at the AI response, in the AI response, the in means input, out means output. So total number of tokens 24,071 used, and in the for the input we used almost 22,038, and for the output we used 2,033. Okay, and we total in the whole project we used almost 46,000 tokens so far. Okay, so this is how it is, and we are going to, let's say I'm going to just add one more prompt. Can we have a theme in this project to change not just light dark but colors also? Okay, so I just entered one more prompt, and as you know, with every prompt, the whole trail of the project actually it goes back, and just it is going to increase more tokens. Okay. If you are using Gemini, you don't have to bother about having any plan. Okay, you can use any plan, and you can use Gemini to work with your with the project to have better outcome. But with the in the free plan there are few limitations. I'm talking about the people who are going to just subscribe the project later. Okay, not for the existing users. For the existing users, you have almost all the features and all the access of the project already. For the future users, they are not going to have all those number of tokens, all those features, like more control you have. They won't have that control. So if they're using their own custom models, custom AI, it is going to give them better control on the projects also. All right. So see, we have implemented the theme, and this theme is going to increase the tokens also. We will just wait. Okay, Geoffrey, I just got your idea. Yes, we are definitely empowering the all of you by having more team members in support. So by the month end, we will have 4 team members. That is our target. We have hired one guy already, one person who's going to be available in your Eastern time zone. And by having these 4 team members who are going to reply on your tickets from by the next webinar, which we are having on Saturday. I mean, for you, it is going to be on Friday. Okay. So yes, you can import your projects from Lovable from any other platform also. If you are using any other platform, you're using Lovable, Bolt, any other platform, you can definitely import your project, even from Cursor. You can just import your project, download them from there if they allow, and then you can definitely use them here also. Okay. See, when you are going to Dr. Wu, the token talk is important, but please share a few words on our already built projects. If you have built something, the new system is not going to consume more tokens for the project anymore. Okay, and most of the users tokens we have already restored. If you just go back to your account, you will check that. Okay, especially for the people who actually just shared the issues about token, we have actually just checked and we have restored them already as per their usage. Okay. All right. So thank you so much, Matthew. Yes, this is being recorded. You can just go through it later also. So now, as you can see, the token plan, I have used more token now. As you can see on the top, 2,500 tokens. It won't stop the process in between, but if it will just go exceed the plan, exceed the token, you will have the message to upgrade the plan now. Your chat is going to be disabled, and for this project we have used almost 90,000 tokens. So this is the new system we have implemented. Now if you just click on the upgrade plan, it will land you on the upgrade option, and users can actually, not the free users, but the paid users, they can, pro users, they can actually purchase more tokens also. 1 million token is going to cost $10. So if you can buy till 100 million tokens in one go. This is what we already discussed in our last webinars. Okay. So yes, this is good. This is it about the tokens. So I'm going to, let me just upgrade my account. Just a moment. Okay. Milan, can you just upgrade my account if you're there? Yes, Tony, this is not very odd. This is how it works. Okay, every time, every system. It works with every system like this. Every time when you are just going to use the chat, it is going to double the tokens with every chat. No matter if you're just entering a single prompt or you are entering like a long prompt, because every time it actually fetches all the communication, all the input and output prompts, and repass to the AI. So this is how it works with all the systems. This is not very hard actually. This is very common. Okay. No, there is no best practice to minimize the token. Only one best practice is to just explain as much as possible and explain like in points. So in one go, it will actually generate more better output and give you the better response. Okay. If you just enter small, like just implement the chat, implement the theme, just fix this text. So every time it will send the same thing, same thing, same thing. So it's better to understand the issues, note it down somewhere, type it, and just enter in one prompt. It's going to save a lot of tokens. Let's say I have 10 issues. If I'm entering 10 times, right? If I'm just writing one by one, it is going to consume like almost 10x token, okay? 10x. If we are going to have just one long message with the 10 points, it's going to consume just 1x token. You getting my point? Or 2x token, sorry, not 1x, 2x token. Yeah, thank you, Milan. Okay, it's like he increased my number of tokens now. So now I have a 20 million tokens, and as you can see, I got my access back. So the token system is actually the new system implemented as per the project. You can see how many tokens you have used for the project. So you don't have to bother about the number of tokens, and everything is being updated real time now. So this is not going to be updated after a few minutes or few seconds like earlier. Everything is updated real time. Okay, you are using it real time. You will get the updates about your tokens. So this is the one thing. Now let's come back to the system, and I hope we have the theme option here. Yes, I can see this dark right. I think this is going in the left hand side more, and I'm going to ask uh, theme section is going towards left hand side. Please um, make it more um, positioned or better positioned. Okay, better position. Will you be getting rid of 620 bundles? Yes, we have already you know removed that plan. There is no bundle plan anymore. We are going to have three plans. One is free plan, one is pro plan, and the third one is creator plan. So we are not going to have any other plan after this. After this webinar, when we are going to make our marketing website live, which I've been saying from last 2 weeks almost, that or 3 weeks, like we are going to make our website live, but we are ready. Milan is actually working on the plans updates, and we might make it live before the next webinar on Saturday. I mean Friday for you. So yes, see, now we have better positioning of this, but we will make it more better. Now the color has been changed, and this is amazing. I like this. So we have the better user interface, better design. This is from xBesh LLM. Okay. And if you just talk about, let's go back and let's go to the other model, let's say OpenAI, and I'm going to use OpenAI for GPT-4o. I'm not sure whether my API key is working fine or not, but I will just try weather app. I think my API key is not working. Let's test. Yes, so I need to have the better API key. Anybody, if you want to share your API key, you can delete it after this session. I don't have actually API key right now with me, or I need to upgrade my account. I can upgrade later. But yeah, I mean, I just last time I tested with the OpenAI, it was working pretty fine. Paul Saunders saying uploading projects back to xBesh. Yes, yes, Paul. I just got the issue. I'm fixing this problem. I will fix it within next few minutes after the webinar. I have already actually I'm working on it, and I've already figured it out the issue. So Paul, you will get this issue. I mean, you will get this problem solved. Don't worry about it. Grok, yes, I'm going to add more. Definitely, I'm going to add more models in next update. We might add like 10, 15 more models. That's what I'm planning. Grok, some, what was that? The Chinese model. I just forgot the name. DeepSeek, maybe, yeah, DeepSeek. And some other models. I just asked Milan to make a list of those models, and we need to just implement them. We'll do that for sure. Don't worry. Okay, so that's it. And now let's move to the next part of the project, which is going to be, okay, I'm going to run a preview from here. Please run this. Oh, project is not loaded. Okay, my bad. Let me just reload the project. Oh, this is not the project which I was working on. Let me just go to the projects. Okay, this was the project. I think yes. I'm going to open this project. Yeah, here we go. Hey, Cami, how are you? Hey, Jose. Yes, in GitHub. Okay, we'll check, Jose. This webinar I'm just giving to update. We are going to have the sessions, live sessions like every day. I was busy in just taking interviews. We have hired one guy in support already. We are going to finalize like 3 more. So we will have 4 team members in support by end of this month. And you okay, okay, Fran, you can just share your key here. If you can just share, okay? Yes, I will share with you, Dr. Wu. Okay. Thank you, Tony. I was not, I didn't go anywhere. I was busy on working on the new version and hiring people. We are, as you know, we are hiring more team members in our team because right now we are planning to go public. So by this weekend, we will go public. Maybe before the webinar also on Saturday, we are having this webinar. And this webinar is actually going to be just for creators. But the first session, we are just opening for all the users. So this webinar, which we are hosting on Saturday, it is just a first webinar for the creators, okay? And and we have increased your refund period also from 30 days to 50 days because I consumed like 2 weeks also. I was busy in my personal task and I was busy in the new updates and version. So we have increased your refund period also from 30 days to 50 days. Plus, we are starting the creators training from Saturday, like which is going to be Friday, I think 12:30 p.m. Milan, please share the link of the webinar with everyone here in this chat if possible. Okay. So this is we are first session. It is going to be open for all the users because we are going to give you some like amazing trainings and we are going to give you the access of the apps also with all the Koala apps and everything. Milan, please share the link of the webinar so everybody can join like here. And this webinar is going to be amazing and this is going to be free for all users. This is for the creators, but it's going to be free for all users. Okay. Uh, All right, so let's talk about it, okay? Let's talk about it. Now I'm just going to fix a few things. I will show you. So let's say I just uh, did some change here in the analytics part. I'm going to save it. And you see, we come here, we got the errors. And this console in the bottom, you can see here, this console is actually going to capture all the errors for you. You don't have to bother about the errors anymore. So let's say we got the errors here. You click on this fix and it is going to fix the error. This is the same error. I'm going to clear this. Now clearing the error is going to just clear this panel. Okay. Oh, I'm still using the OpenAI. Just a moment. I'm going to use the Google Gemini 2.4 and I'm going to refresh once again. We got the error once again here. I'm going to click on fix and let's see. Okay. So as you know, this console is going to be very helpful for all the developers and creators. So all the users. So this console is going to capture all the errors from your project. And it's going to show you the list of all the errors. Okay. And you have one button here, and you will have one button on the top on the header of this console is going to be fix all. If you click on fix all, it is going to just send a message to the AI to fix all the errors in one go. And you can fix them one by one also. It's up to you. Okay. So let's say I just got some kind of error in the project. I will ask AI to fix for me. It says it has been fixed already. If you just come here once again, you are still getting the error. You can click on, okay, it's not fixed yet. Thank you, Fran. I will just use this, okay? I will just use it. Just a moment. Thank you so much. So I'm going to just change my key also. Just a moment from here. I'm going to use my OpenAI key. Going to test. Yes, it is working. Going to save. Perfect. And I'm going to change it for Google so far for the 2.5. Okay, here we go. So we have the OpenAI key. Now, Fran, thank you so much for sharing this key with us. Okay. This error is coming from, I can say, this error, because I just created a error, random error in this, like by just adding one extra word, like, well, sorry, character in the import. So we need to just mention it nicely. This error is coming from here. Let me just check this. Okay, capturing. Let me just test. Thank you, Milan. Milan, you just shared the link with the host and panelist. You just need to choose everyone from the top drop down. You just shared with me and you only. Okay, just share this link with everyone. Okay, I'm going to share it just with everyone here. So this is the link for the webinar, guys. Okay. Uh, must join webinar. You should not miss this webinar. You are going to get amazing updates. I've been like preparing for this webinar from last almost like 2-3 weeks. It is going to be amazing webinar for all of you. See, our error has been fixed. Yeah, fix all is going to actually send a command to fix all the errors. So it's going to be same thing. I'm still testing this particular part. Honestly speaking, it is going to be more robust in next few days. This part is going to be the backbone of the project. We are going to implement the AI in this also. So AI will understand it. And I just did it. Okay. I tested it, but it was actually consuming a lot of tokens. So I just made it manual. I don't want to uh, see, this is the, yes, Fran, this is, let's test with the OpenAI. Okay. So we have integrated the OpenAI. I'm going to have mm, best for coding. Let's build the same project, social dashboard. Max token to be this. Okay. I will check this why we are getting this error. But anyways, I'm just going to give a prompt. I need a social dashboard with the amazing UI and UX. Okay, just give a very small prompt. Okay, I don't know why this is not working. I will just check the key all once again. Okay, but it works with OpenAI. I've tested it. Okay, I've tested the thing. Now let's come back to our own flagship LLM. With this, you can actually I've tested with all other functional like Rob actually suggested that App Store apps are not working, but I tested it is working perfectly fine. There is no problem at all. But because of importing issue, there was some problem, but it has been fixed already for the particular like a file like for the apps. So now it is working. If we, let's say I just import the existing project of Netflix clone, it will work perfectly fine. Yes, thank you, Fran. See, this is working perfectly good. All the project in the apps are working perfectly fine. We are going to add more apps. As you know, we are hiring 4 to 5 developers. We have already planned in by the coming month. We will have all the developers. They are going to build the apps for you. They are going to help in developing the project further. And on Saturday, which is going to be our amazing webinar, I'm going to start this session for the creators. And in this session, we will have all the uh, uh, like amazing trainings and app building sessions, deployment sessions, monetization sessions. Okay, so 3 apps each creator we will build, we will deploy, and we will monetize also. So this is going to happen this month. Whole month of August is going to be very crazy and amazing also for all the creators and all the users. We have updated few more things in the project in the backend, which you can't actually understand. So I don't want to share those things, but there are more than 100 plus issues we have fixed. Okay, 100 plus. They were coming from here and there. We have fixed. About the creators, hire a creator and app store and the uh, uh, your own profile building. We are going to release the dedicated creators dashboard, which is going to be available in your own accounts of creators. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ganti, for your trust and for this. Okay. What is happening to the bundle users? No, no, we are not changing your plans. Don't worry about it. It is going to be the same. For the existing users, their account will be same. We are not going to change any account, okay? Any account. We are introducing the new plans for the new users only. The new users, for the bundle users, you're in your reseller panels, you will be able to manage your Milan, can you upgrade me as a bundle user or as a reseller, please? So I will show them. Milan. Yes, Keith, we are going to give you the access of app. Milan is updating the website, and you will get the link. Maybe by tomorrow you will get the link, okay? To download your apps. Your apps will be available on xbash.com. So you go to the xbash.com, which is going to be our own website. You will have the links at the bottom of the website to download the apps, and you will have the link also on the top here to like downloads. So click on downloads. You will get the links to download the apps for your desired operating system. Okay. So it is going to be available by most probably by tomorrow. Milan is going to work right now, but I will say by tomorrow. Okay. It is going to be available. All right. Now let's come back to the system. Okay, here. So yes, we are going to for Paul, we are going to. I have a Benta Black. Is there a way I can have ability to share with my own team? Yes. This the question which actually for the resellers, you can actually create your own members, and you can share your. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, see, my account has been upgraded to the xBesh bundle now, and because but Milan made my tokens 20 million manually. Right now it is showing 20 millions, but for the bundle users, it is 100 million for all the users. You can test your account. For the bundle, it should be 100 million. And now the token which you have already used is going to be from this moment to, if you're using it in any browser or anywhere, it is not going to be like different. Okay, it's going to be the fixed. We have made the token system very robust now, and is not going to consume any extra token for any damn other different thing. For some users, earlier it was like when they were importing the project. I mean, not importing the opening the existing project, it was consuming the token, but now it won't happen. When you just go to the project and you open your project, it will just show the tokens which has been consumed already. It will not add anything in this, okay, anymore. As you can see here, right now it's 252.5K on the top. It is not going to be updated at all because you are just opening the existing project. And when you are importing the project, see, it is not going to consume the token anymore. Earlier, it was consuming the tokens when you were importing from the App Store also, or if you're importing the project from your existing folder. So now it is not going to consume the token. It will consume the token when you just start entering the prompt. Okay, like, can we please change the name and branding of this project to Netflix? And I'm going to use the Google 2.5 for this. Honestly, if you are not concerned about your uh, user experience, UI or something, I would suggest to start your project with the Google Gemini 2.5. It works pretty good. I mean, I just tested like almost for 2-3 days. I tested with Gemini only, and every time I'm very happy with the output. Okay, xBlix, yeah, you can call it xBlix also. Okay, so how to build a team and how it works, I will show you. Just a moment, Bob and Paul. Just a moment, I will show you. Let's change the. Sometimes this is what I feel. Sometimes it takes a few seconds additional extra to generate the response. This is for the Gemini, but it's worth it. Okay, it's completely fine. And for the inside the app also, when I'm just like like I'm using this xBesh app here. Inside the app, right now for the app, we are just giving the app for the custom models only. So you will not be able to use xBash inside the app, but you will be able to use your custom models. Okay, for testing purposes. I don't want to you waste your tokens. So because all apps are in beta right now, the iOS, Windows, and every app. So let's say this is the app which is going to be started now, is being loaded. And when you are just using xbash local app, in your operating system, it is going to just work with the custom models like Gemini, Anthropic, or OpenAI, or like that. Okay, you can log in from here the same way, and you will be able to use it. Okay, but with the custom model only. Okay. All right, let's go back. I'm going to just quit xbash AI from here, and here we go. So we have changed okay, it's still working. Oh, okay, let it finish. Okay, Dr. Wu, I will check the filtering inside the project also. Okay, thank you so much for your input. By the way, please join this webinar also. Just share the link once again. Don't miss this. Okay, right now we have almost 63 people in this webinar, and I want all of you to join this. It is going to be free for you. We are not going to, and you don't have to. Please check my account. My finished projects will. Okay, Shamar, if you, I'm going to share this link with you, all of the creators only. Okay, so you guys can actually let me share this here. Wait. I was working on this, so I'm going to create the appointment schedule and going to give you the 1 hour per week. Anybody can, all the creators can hire me, like take an appointment for 1 hour in any time in a week. If you have any kind of problems in deployment or any issues, you can just let's have a call with me. Okay. Uh, I will just do this, and I will share the link inside the creators group of Telegram. And for other users who are not creators and not updated to the creator plans, I'm going to share this with all of you also. You can actually schedule your booking for 15 minutes, like in the available slots. You can actually just have a call with me during this my night time and your daytime. So it's going to be easier for all of you. I will share this link in the community. Okay. Milan is going to manage the community. I'm not, because community consume a lot of time, so I'm not going to be very active on the community. But Milan is going to be very active, and the other team members are going to be active in the community. I'm going to have live sessions almost every day. Uh, if I'm not busy in working on updates or building training materials or something, I will try my best to have minimum 3 to 4 times in a week. Okay. All right. I will share this, and I will just give you is there in plan to integrate Stripe and payment? Yeah, you can do that, Adrian. You can come here and you can do that. There's no problem with that. You can still do that. Okay. You can integrate any payment gateway with your project anytime. Oh, it's not updated or what? Let me just check. Okay, Gatflix clone. It has been updated here. Gatflix clone. I think the branding is not changed so far or something. Header, we can say. Um, I think branding in header is not updated as git flags. Oh, git flags. Thank you so much, Tony. Tony is saying we are moderators are here to help. Thank you so much. Adrian, you can use your any webhook, any Stripe or payment gateway. You can join the webinar on the live session. Maybe tomorrow I will do the live session. You can join that live session. I will show you how to do that. Okay. We are going to have the testing sessions every night, like earlier. You can join those sessions, and I will show you how to do that. Okay, how to connect your payment gateway. I just gave the demo last time, how to do that. If we want to use xbash llm and gemini api for a project, which is going to be best to start with, I will say, don't ask me this question, just go and try yourself. Okay, but my suggestion is going to be, if you just want to start, if you are starting a project, go with gemini. It is going to consume less tokens, and then you can you can switch to the like xbash ai, and you can just ask it to update it, or just like enhance the ai, or something like that. Okay, is the clone a git repo functioning? Because yes, it earlier it was a problem, David. We have fixed it, and I'm still testing it. Once it is done, I will update it in the community. Okay, yes, if somebody is having some kind of questions here right now, you can just ask in the Q&A. Okay, so I'm going to answer the Q&A questions. If a free user connect their API, they can use xbash framework for free forever. Yes, they can, but it comes with some limitations for the free users. For the pro users, it is going to be no limit. Okay, because yes, there will be no xbash tokens for sure, but the xbash llm works pretty like good. You can just test it by yourself. Okay, so now you see the project has been changed to Getflix or Gitflix, whatever. Okay, I think it took Gatflix as a brand. Now it is. See, we have used Gemini to update a project. The project was generated by the xbash LLM, and now we are updating it using the Gemini model. So I'm sure you can switch the models, and you can see the output. And you see, I'm using Gemini. I can see this is the in memory tokens. Okay, I mean, these tokens are not going to be updated in your account. As you can see, these are the total tokens you have consumed so far. But if you just move to the xbash LLM from here, your tokens will be started consuming. My recommendation, if you're just building a project from scratch, just to reach at the MVP level, you should use Gemini. It works pretty good. If you want to enhance the project, and you want to just because if you want to just enhance the project, it's going to be you can use xbash llm, which is going to consume your tokens for sure. Okay, and you have a limited tokens, so use them wisely. All right, now I'm going to answer all this code live at xbash dev. Yes, it is all there on the xbash lab, xbash.dev. Yes, it's the same thing. There's no difference. If I will log in here, it's the same updated code there. The same thing. Okay. uh Publish to desktop. Yes, see, I will tell you. Publish to desktop is going to be a project. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a project which is where you can actually upload your code, and you can generate the desktop app for your code. So I'm going to actually, I have built this project for the creators, but if you want to have access, join the webinar. I will give you the access of that project also. Okay. The webinar is going to be on Saturday. So join that webinar. You will get the access of that project. Okay. And this is going to be an amazing project. Okay, you just upload your code. It will build the mobile mac os app. It is going to build the linux app. It is going to build the windows app for all of you. So the it is going all creators are going to get the free access of this. But if you are just looking for the like access of this app, you can join this webinar. Okay, in the chat. uh, this was the answer of like Francois. Okay. Okay. All right, Jose, no problem. No problem. Yes, Tony, you can join the webinar. I will definitely get you the access. Okay. This is free for all the creators. All right. Hey, Arthur. Okay, so uh after accessing the new version, I was not able to import the project. Yes, Michael, I know this issue. I'm going to fix this issue in just next few minutes after the webinar. All right. Yes, thank you so much. All right. I think we have all question answered already. So let's talk about any other problem if you guys facing any like so far. Please ask me right now. This is the update about the version v.2.3. Let me just rephrase or recap the webinar. So first of all, for the all you users also, for first of all the team updates, we have we have planned to hire four team members in support. One is already hired, so I'm going to add him in the community. We are going to have three more by the end of this month, which is going to be amazing for all the people, all the users. So your support, our support will be 24/7, like available in all time zones. Now we are opening a ticketing system inside the xBesh, so you can raise your tickets about your issues, and it is going to be easier for us to manage by our team. So it is going to be there. We have released the new version. Okay, I'm still testing a few things. By the webinar, it is going to be even more robust. It is going to be better. We are going to release major updates of in other apps like Koala Hub, Koala apps on the like in the by the next webinar. So you will get the access of those apps. Join the webinar. Okay. All right. So I'm going to try and restart creating. Okay, perfect, Tony. Just you can try that and let me know. Okay. Thank you so much, Donnie. Thanks for your appreciation. And we will just release the ticketing system, and it is going to be inside the xBesh itself. Okay, in your account here inside this, you will have the support system here, so you will be able to access inside the xBesh itself. All right, perfect. Now, thank you so much. Please don't miss this webinar, which is going to be does xBesh uses much more tokens than others? No, the token system is same everywhere. Okay, when you're using xBash, it creates more extensive project. I will show you once again. Right now, we created two projects. One by using. Let me just show you. Wait. We created two projects. This project was created by Gemini, and I will add one more option here, which actually AI model used inside the project, which is going to be amazing. This project we created using Gemini 2.5. It consumed not this project. Sorry, my bad. Let me just open the project. I think which project we used. I think this project. I will show you. Let's say we are on the Gemini 2.5. I'm going to build a social media project. And now you will understand why xBash takes more tokens. Okay. So right now, okay, this project we are building from not from scratch, but it is actually it has fetched all the files from past. So this is from, I think it was done by the xBash AI. If I'm not wrong. Let me just check. Wait. So as you can see, number of files are more because it created more detailed project. And if you're using Gemini, like at the initial level, it creates a small project. You understand that? So when you are just using Gemini, it is going to have, yes. So this is the link. You can just use it here. Can you see the link right now? James? James Beagle, can you just see the link? Okay, thank you. Join this webinar. Don't miss it. As you can see, when you are okay, no problem. We are just winding up night right now, Cami. Okay, so let's meet in the next webinar, guys. Thank you so much for joining this webinar. Don't miss the next webinar. You will get this webinar is going to be free for all people. If you have lost some tokens already in the previous versions, please contact Milan. Milan is here. You can just contact him in the community. He's going to fix your tokens. Don't worry about it. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Don't miss this webinar. This is going to be an amazing webinar. I'm going to give you the free access of like amazing things, some bonuses. You will get this webinar is going to be free for you because this is specially designed webinar for the creators. But first thing is going to be free. If you want to upgrade yourself To the creator, it is going to be xbash.com creator. Let me just share the link with you. This is creator.xbash.com. You can buy it from here. Okay. Cablo is asking about how can I buy it. If you are buying creator license on monthly subscription or one time, like for a year, if it is going to give you all the access and is going to give you 50 million tokens also. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time, everyone. Let's meet on the next webinar. And if you have any questions or queries, just share with me, in the community or Milan, and let's catch up. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. See you there.